The National Weather Service in Oklahoma has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Oklahoma County in Oklahoma, Cleveland County in Oklahoma, Canadian County in Oklahoma, Logan County in Oklahoma, Kingfisher County in Oklahoma, and Blaine County in Oklahoma. Until 7 o'clock. At 1600 hours, severe thunderstorms and showers producing damaging winds were located along a line extending from 36.0514 minus 98.4736, moving southeast at 95 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for Oklahoma County in Oklahoma, Cleveland County in Oklahoma, Canadian County in Oklahoma, and Logan County in Oklahoma. Expected hazards include 80 or greater mile per hour, wind gusts, and baseball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated and trained weather spotters reported threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorms will be near Oklahoma County in Oklahoma, Cleveland County in Oklahoma, Canadian County in Oklahoma, and Logan County in Oklahoma around 1640 and 1700 hours. Locations impacted include, but are not limited to, Oklahoma City, Norman, Edmond, Moore, Midwest City, Yukon, Del City, Mustang, Bethany, El Reno, Noble, Choctaw, Ara, Nichols Hills, The Village, Luther, Jones, Piedmont, and Spencer. This includes the following highways in Oklahoma. Interstate 35 between mile markers 100 and 150. Interstate 40 between mile markers 110 and 160. Interstate 44 between mile markers 100 and 135. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building / get inside a sturdy structure, and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch, effective until 7 o'clock. This watch includes the following counties: Oklahoma County in Oklahoma, Cleveland County in Oklahoma, Canadian County in Oklahoma, Logan County in Oklahoma, Kingfisher County in Oklahoma, and Blaine County in Oklahoma. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Possible winds may be above 250 miles per hour. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to an OAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Oklahoma has issued a tornado warning for all of southeast Oklahoma until 9 o'clock. At 1600 hours, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Watonga, Blaine County, moving southeast at 95 miles per hour. Confirmed, a tornado-producing storm was located over Canadian County, moving southeast at 375 miles per hour. Has a tornado and great-size hail. Tornado will be rain-wrapped. This particularly dangerous event will generate many more. Source estimated by radar and meteorologists: impacts flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. You are in a life-threatening situation. Towns and cities will be leveled. Bunker 75 feet below ground or above will be completely uprooted. This outbreak will produce 1 to 2 mile wide events and possibly 3 mile wide tornadoes. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Catastrophic damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles will happen, and complete destruction will happen. Any object caught in this outbreak's path will not be recognizable. This dangerous storm will be near Bryan County, Oklahoma around 1700 hours. Locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include the entirety of southeast Oklahoma. Precautionary/preparedness actions to repeat: a large, extremely dangerous, and deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, you must evacuate, if not within 1 hour of Blaine County, Oklahoma. Evacuate to a dry area within central East Texas. If you are within 1 hour of Blaine County, then you must take immediate cover. This cover must be 100 feet below the ground or lower.
A tornado warning remains in effect until 1300 hours for southeastern Oklahoma. At 9 o'clock, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Watonga, Blaine County, moving southeast at 95 miles per hour. Tornado in Apple Scenario. Tornado will be completely blocked into debris. This particularly dangerous event will only increase in size and speed. Spotted by radar and meteorologists. Media coverage. Falling debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. 450 mile per hour winds are expected. Mobile homes will be completely unrecognizable. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is definite. You are in a lethal situation. Counties and cities will be leveled. Bunker 75 feet below ground or above will be completely uprooted. This outbreak will produce 1 to 2 mile wide events and possibly 3 mile wide tornadoes. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Catastrophic damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles will happen, and complete destruction will happen. Any object caught in this outbreak spot will not be within 15 miles of its original location. Trenches will be produced exceeding 200 feet deep. This dangerous storm will be near Bryan County, Oklahoma around 1650. Locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include the entirety of southeast Oklahoma. Precautionary/preparedness actions to repeat: a large, extremely dangerous, and deadly tornado is on the ground. Elevator of safety is available. 100 feet below the ground.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency in conjunction with the National Weather Service and National Information Center. At 1600 hours yesterday, there was a catastrophic storm that alone has caused 18 reported casualties. It has caused many supercells that have caused many tornadoes that seem supernatural or unbelievable, such as a record-breaking 600 mile per hour 1.6 mile wide tornado. These tornadoes of this concentrated outbreak have completely swept southeast Oklahoma of life and any structure. All of southeast Oklahoma has become a trench. We pronounce this time as a time of mourning and time of understanding. God bless America. God bless Oklahoma.